So in this video today we'll be showing you how to get a large piece of rubber onto your flat roof. So obviously if you've got one of these then it's not going to be a problem, but not everyone's got a forklift kicking around and often access to the area can be difficult. So here are 3 options that we feel make this problem a little easier. So these approaches are personal ones that I've had to use in the past, especially when I haven't had anyone else on site to help me do it. Oh, that was on film. So the first option is quite a simple one. We're going to have 2 people on the roof, then a large rope is going to be fed through the tube that the rubber's rolled onto. So this option is handy if the rubber isn't massively heavy. You'll just have to gauge this on site just to see if 2 of you can handle it. So most people can handle 30 to 40 kilos each. You just have to gauge this on site to make sure that this can be done. So the second option is ideal, especially if it's just you on your own. Having a long ladder like this and some bungee ties. So what we're going to do now, we're going to roll the rubber out, then we're going to roll it back up again like a big carpet, and then we're going to place it on top of the ladder. So what we're doing now, we're just putting the bungee cords on, or if you've got ratchets you're using them. Just want to make sure that they're nice and tight around the ladder frame and the rubber. Just make sure you tilt it up, make sure the rubber isn't going to go anywhere. So that's nice and secure now, let's get it down to the roof. So we're going to rest the ladder against the edge of the roof. The idea is that we're never going to be lifting more than half the weight of the rubber at any one time. So what we'll do now, we'll lift the ladder up slightly, we'll pivot it on the edge of the roof, and once it's past halfway you'll easily be able to slide it onto the roof. So the final option would be using one of these scaffold hoists. So a strong piece of rope, a chain or a ratchet like we've got down there, hooked on, the motor will bring it up nicely. This is by far the safest option. Some of these hoists can go up to around 500 kilos, you just need to make sure your scaffold or the roof can handle that capacity of weight. So if you are a DIYer or it's just a one-off project, these can be rented from pretty much any hire shop. If you're a contractor that does deal with a lot of big roofs, it's probably worth investing in one of these. I hope you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe for more.
1, 2, 3. Look at that! Got it!